In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transcribe audio in Otter AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to upload your audio or video and open the finished transcript so you can review, edit, and share it with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and heading to otter.ai. This takes you to the home area where you can manage conversations and imports. Make sure your internet connection is stable and you have the audio file you want to transcribe saved somewhere easy to reach, like your desktop or a clearly named folder. Having your file handy will make the next step smooth. Once you're on the Otter homepage, look toward the top right of the screen and click Import. This button is your gateway to bringing files into Otter for automatic transcription. Otter accepts common audio and video formats, so recordings from your phone, a meeting platform, or a voice memo app typically work without any extra conversion. You now have two convenient ways to add your file. If you already have the file visible in a folder window, simply drag it over and drop it onto the import area. You'll see an upload indicator begin right away. Drag and drop is quick when you're juggling several files or prefer not to click through folders. If you'd rather browse, click Browse Files. Your computer's file picker will open, and you can navigate to the recording you want. Select the file you intend to use and click Open. Use clear descriptive file names so you can recognize your content at a glance in Otter later. If you're working with longer sessions, consider closing background apps to help your upload move faster. While the file is uploading, avoid moving or renaming it on your computer to prevent any interruptions. When the upload completes and Otter has finished processing, click Go to Transcript. This takes you directly into the transcript view. Here you can play the audio alongside the text, skim for key moments, and make quick edits if you spot any misheard words. Good audio quality and minimal background noise usually lead to better accuracy, but it's perfectly normal to make a few touch-ups. Use the playback controls to jump around, and consider adding keywords or highlights to keep your notes organized. That's the full flow. Visit Otter, click Import, add your file by dragging and dropping or by browsing, confirm by opening it, and then go straight to the transcript when it's ready. Follow these steps and you'll have a clean, searchable transcript you can review, refine, and put to work right away.